Good morning, boys. Happy Thursday. Today for small group, we're going to be doing some math. And by math, I mean we're going to make a recipe. Does anybody know what a recipe is? Right. A recipe is a list of ingredients and instructions that we follow to make food. Miss Evie has an example right here. It's called a cereal recipe, and it has a list of ingredients and it has a list of directions. The ingredients are a cup of cereal mixed with marshmallows, half a cup of sliced bananas, half a cup of milk, and the directions are pour 1 cup of cereal mixed with marshmallows in a bowl. Add half a cup of sliced bananas, mix together, pour half a milk to the bowl, and enjoy, okay? You could either follow this recipe at home with mommy, or you can make up your own recipe or something that's your favorite to cook with mommy and daddy, and you have to show Miss Evie your recipe. You have to write it down, and you have to tell me all the ingredients that you're using, and you have to tell me step by step the directions of how to make it and what tools you're using. You want to see how Miss Evie does her recipe? All right, we'll be right back. Okay, Miss Evie's back, and I have my recipe. And I have a recipe for pancakes, right? And Miss Evie's recipe, the ingredients are pancake mix, eggs, and milk, okay? And we're gonna use butter to cook it. So this is my recipe. And it says I need a cup of pancake mix, 3/4 cups of milk, 1 egg. So Miss Evie has her recipes, her ingredients, I'm sorry, right here. See all my ingredients? I have my stuff ready to go. Are you ready to do it with me? Hold on. So remember, my recipe says I need 1 cup of pancake mix, okay? So Miss Evie has it already in her cup. And I want you to look, I have a measuring cup. This is what you call a measuring cup. And it says 1 cup. See it? It says 1 cup. And Miss Evie's gonna put that into a bowl, okay? I'm going to put the pancake mix into a bowl. I'm going to put this in the sink. And then it says we need, let's see, what's next? 3/4 cups of milk. Now, Miss Evie has another measuring tool, and I want you to look at this measuring tool. It's a little bit different. That was a cup. This is a measuring cup, but we use this measuring cup to measure liquids. We use the other measuring cup to measure the dry ingredients, which is like pancake mix, flour, sugar. So this is a measuring cup for dry ingredients. And this is a measuring cup for wet ingredients like milk, water, oil. Okay, so those are my measuring tools. I'm using measuring cups. And then I have another thing that goes inside of my recipe, and it's 1 egg. So Miss Evie has 1 egg right here, okay? And I'm going to crack it. And I'm going to be very careful not to drop any eggshells in my pancake batter. Okay? So now Miss Evie's going to follow the directions. I already used 1 cup of pancake mix, 3/4 of a cup of milk, right? And 1 egg. And now I'm going to use another tool. This tool is called a whisk. This is going to help me mix everything together because my direction says mix well together and cook. So I'm going to mix it all together. See how Miss Evie's mixing it? All right. I'm going to mix it and then I'm going to cook my pancakes. Are you ready to see my yummy pancakes? Be right back. Making her pancakes. And to make my pancakes, I use a little bit of butter, some of my pancake mix, and I use a measuring cup to measure out the amount of pancake batter that I want to put in my pan to cook my pancake. And the way I know my pancake is ready to flip is because you see those little bubbles that are popping? Once they stop popping, you can flip your pancake. But Miss Evie likes her pancakes extra, extra crispy, okay? So I will let it sit there for a little bit longer just so they can get very, very crispy. Okay, let's see. We gotta wait for all the little bubbles to stop popping. Let's see if it's ready to flip. Let's give it a flip. Oh, that's how Miss Evie likes her pancakes. Nice and crispy. Yes. So I'm going to put a little bit more butter so it can cook on this side. And then you get to eat it. Okay? As soon as it cooks on this side, you get to eat the pancakes. Alrighty, see you guys later. Okay, my pancakes are all done. See, I finished my pancakes and now I have some syrup, and I'll eat my pancakes with a little bit of syrup. And who remembers what we did today? We made a recipe, right? I showed you a recipe with cereal that you can make, and I showed you my recipe with pancakes, okay? So you could make the cereal, you can make the pancakes, or you can make your own recipe that you want to make with mommy. Whatever you do, have fun and enjoy. Don't forget to list your ingredients and list your directions, and also talk about the tools that you are using, the measurement tools that you're using to make your recipe, okay? Have fun, boys. See you later.